Alright guys, this is the worst nightmare. Is the seatbelt crap. So some reason they have seatbelt explosion right there, and they have it inside in the retractor. They're all connected ones. Usually this thing is on the other side of the seat. So what happened? This thing exploded and the other thing exploded. But other side, I had a hard time taking it off. But I just figured out that the way to take this off, you know, the tiny screwdriver to stick it in there. And there's like you can feel there's like a button inside, and then something like this to stick it in here, and then you have to show you guys so you guys can see this. So you just have to press it, put both at once, and then you got it. You got your seat belt unbuckled at the bottom. So this is how to take this guy off, because I looked on YouTube, nobody's showing it, and I want to be the guy to show you guys to take it off so you guys don't hassle. Take care guys, subscribe, like, and I'll be posting more videos if I have any other troubles taking this seatbelt off. Take care guys, till next time.